Okay, starting question 7 again. We have a list of 8 numbers, and we have to write down 2 numbers from the list which add up to 57. So we see that 80, 69, both greater than 57, so it can't be these two. We look at 55, there's no 2, so it can't be that. We'll look at 49, we need 8 to make 57, there's no 8. We look at 32, and what do we see? Yes, there is a number which makes 57, and that's 25. So it's 25 and 32. Write down a number from the list which is a multiple of 8, 32, because it's 8, 16, 24, 32. Write down a square number, square numbers. We can always write them down here. 1, 4, 9, 25, 36, 49, 64. The list continues. We can see that 4, 9 and 25 are all square numbers, and they're all 9, 25 and 49 are all square numbers in the list, so we could have choose any of them, but I just chose 25. Here we have to use a word from the box to complete this sentence correctly. Well, we have cube, multiple, factor and product, and we see that 10 is actually a factor of 80. Why? Because 10 goes into 80 8 times, so we write factor here. So we have 8 numbers, and we have to, from these numbers, write down a number which has exactly one line of symmetry. Exactly one line of symmetry. Well, we can see that the answer is going to be 18. Why? Because if we draw this line here, this is only going to have one line of symmetry, and all the others are going to have greater than, for example, greater than one line, or no lines of symmetry. Like 11 here, it has 2 lines there and there, so it's going to be 18. Write down a number which has 2 lines of symmetry and a rotational symmetry of order 2. Well, we've already noted that 11 has 2 lines of symmetry, here and here. And does it have rotational symmetry of order 2? Well, yeah, it does, because if you imagine rotating it twice, 1, 2, it's going to be exactly the same number, 11. No, it's going to be the exact same figure of 11. So we can write 11 here. Rotational symmetry of order 2, but no lines of symmetry. Well, you know it's not going to be 11. It's not going to be 18. We now draw our attention to 69. And what do we see about this? Well, in fact, if you imagine this is the origin here, if we rotate this twice, once, 2, we see that we get 69 again. But does it have any lines of symmetry? Well, no, because we can't draw a line here, or there, or there. Or alternatively, any lines of symmetry. So the answer is 69.